Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com with another video on Go, and today I want to talk a little bit about packages, and I want to talk about um, importing and functions. So first what we're going to do is we're going to create a new file. So I'm going to go right over here, right click on here, and create a new Go file. So we're going to call this functions.go. Okay, and so see this one says, see it also says package main. That's all good. Now what I want to do is, see this, we call this a different package. We'll call this package functions. Let's try something out. Okay. And why is it complaining? Boom. Fair enough. I guess it can't be in the same directory. So package main. So let's try a couple different things. So we're in the package main, and I want to import the FMT library. And we're just going to define one function. The way we create a function is you use a func keyword. We're going to create a function called hello world that takes no parameters. Okay, and we'll return a string. So we have to specify what it's returning right here. And it will return hello world. Okay. Now notice I capitalize the name of the function, because when you want to bring something into another file, it has to basically, whatever you want to export has to be capitalized. If the first letter isn't a capital, it's private and stays in that file. If it does have a capital letter, it gets exported. That's why print and print line all had capital letters. Okay, so I'm gonna try to import it here. Now since they're both part of the main package. Okay, my question is going to be whether it's going to let me, do I have to import it at all? Since they're in the same package, we'll find out. We'll learn together. Hello world. Okay, and so far it seems to be handling it just fine. Okay, save. Undefined hello world, so yes. Maybe if I do main dot hello world, see if that makes a difference. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just import. Let's try just importing the file name. / functions.go. And it doesn't like that. So let's try putting it in a different directory. So new directory called functions. And we're going to move functions.go into there. Factor. Okay, now we go in there. And now see it says change, if they change its name to package functions. Okay, cool. Okay, and that's fine there. Now I want to go here, and I'm going to import functions. Well, not here. I want to do it back in main. Oh, I never used the FMT, so that's fine. Let me take that out. Go back here. Let's import functions. What if I do / functions? Now does it resolve? Now it resolves. And now it's complaining that I haven't used it yet. Okay, so that would be here. Functions .hello world, and I think now we're back in the running. Which I need to actually print the return value, so let me actually do that. Print. There we go, because again this function returns the string, but it doesn't print the string. There we go, so it works. Okay, so let's reiterate. If you want to have separate packages, they have to be in a separate folder that matches the name of the folder. So again, since this is in the functions folder, it's part of the functions package. And then I can import that package. And anything that's in that package that has a capital letter gets exported and is accessible by using the package name dot the exported thing. So this way you can break up your code into multiple files, makes it a little bit easier to manage. You guys get the point. Okay, so we got that, and you see I'm using it. I'm saying look for functions in the same folder, because without that, it's going to go look to where all sort of the global packages are in the Go path. Okay, so which the Go package manager handles. You can like do go get and gets a package, puts it in that place. But let's see here. Go functions, hello world. What else I want to do? Oh yeah, we're talking about making functions. So let's go back to our functions.go. Okay, so this function again, it just basically took no arguments. But what if we might want to make a function that does take arguments? You have to type everything. So print words, we'll call this function. And this function takes two arguments, and they're both strings. So I don't have to actually go X string, Y string. I could, but since it's the same type, I can actually just do this. Okay, X string, Y string, and in the end, it's going to return a string. Okay, and then what it's going to do, it's going to return X plus a space plus Y. I should get rid of the quotation marks over here. I don't want the string of X, I want the value of X. Okay, and then that's how that will work. So now if I go back over here and I do print functions dot print words, then we can put in two words in here. Hello, comma, world. Okay, and then this should all work. So you get hello world, hello world. So it works. It does the thing. Okay, that's some of the fun stuff with functions. Yeah, that's how you write a function in Go. Don't want to get too deep into the weeds, and now you know how to set up a package in Go. So if you want to shift some of your write all your functions in a separate file, and then use them in your main file to keep your code looking a little cleaner, you can do that now. So, and then you can create like, a package for functions, a package for classes, or do it in a more semantic way, however you like to do it. So I am going to talk to you guys in the next episode.